To some athletics now, world cross-country defending champion Geoffrey Kamworor has sent a warning to his opponent ahead of the World Championships in Denmark that he's not ready to relinquish his title. Kamworor will lead Team Kenya for the championships to be held on the 30th of March, seeking to make it 3 in a row. For a third time, Geoffrey Kamworor will be out to demonstrate to the world why he's the cross-country king when he takes on to the course in Aarhus in Denmark. The two-time world champion knows that his competitors will be going for his title, but he doesn't feel the pressure on defending his title.
I don't have any pressure because I'm going to have a competition, and also whoever is going to compete also have come for a competition. To me, I believe so much on my training and what I've done.
Ombi letu ni kwamba tuende tushinde na tunaombea wa Kenya anybody can win, so tunaombea Kamworor na wale wengine.
Kamworor, who is a 3-time world half marathon champion who captains Team Kenya, aims to follow in the footsteps of Paul Tergat and John Ngugi, who have won the cross-country champion 5 times, as he goes for a third.
It will take like 10 years to reach to where they reached, but to me, I'm really focused and determined that I'm going to, God willing, I'm going to reach there.
The 26-year-old says the competition in the team from the youngsters that have moved up the ranks will help steer Team Kenya to a better performance.
It really motivates me so much to defend the title, because winning a gold medal in any championship really motivates me to go for another title.
The Kenya Police Service cross-country champion says his focus will be on retaining the title and that the climate of Aarhus will not be a problem.
I want to accept any challenge that I'm ready, and let us go for it. Let's go and challenge the world.
Kamworor will captain Team Kenya, hoping to retain the overall title on the 30th of March in Denmark.